How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be talking about hickeys. I have a couple questions, or actually I have one question from a subscriber. Before I tell you that, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So, the question I have from the subscriber, or the question that he asked me is, can you get rid of a hickey with peanut butter? Peanut butter. I've never heard of that ever. I have heard of lipstick, I've heard of chapstick, I've heard of makeup. I have never ever heard of peanut butter. That is something that I will have to look into. Either way though, anything that you apply to the hickey will not go away faster than my method. My method is the fastest. I say this in all my videos because it is the fastest. And yeah, let's just say that peanut butter, let's say that you put the peanut butter on your neck and it was just the best thing in the world. And it worked to some degree. Even if it worked, it's still, let's just say it worked really fast. Let's say like half an hour. That's actually really fast for it to work, but let's say an hour. Even an hour, like my method takes 2 to 5 minutes tops, and it's completely gone. Nothing there. Another thing that people have tried before is toothpaste. Similar to the peanut butter, they're applying something topical to the hickey. It doesn't matter how fast it works, and honestly, I don't think it would even get it away in an hour. I would think let's just say if it did work, I would say like 2 to 3 days, like if it worked. But I don't think peanut butter is gonna work. Yeah, I don't think it would work. So subscriber, don't think it'll work. If it works for you, then give her, but I don't think it'll work. What I do is I take a coin, I rub it on the hickey area, 2 minutes, gone day. People don't know, but a hickey is, to get rid of a hickey is just a bruise. To get rid of a bruise, create friction. We create friction when we use a coin. That's the easiest way, hands down easiest way. The area will get red. I say this in all my videos too because people get mad. They're like, my neck's red now, it's red. It has to get red because you're creating friction. If it doesn't get red, you wouldn't be creating friction. So it will get red, the redness goes away, like 5 minutes, your hickey's gone. So end the video, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thanks.